Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. So in this particular video we are going to see about continuation of this concept 2. Okay, again if they have given the inputs like A, B, C and one more. If you are new to my video, please go check the description box. I have left 3 links in the description box. Please go through all the videos and come back to this video so that you will understand the concepts very quickly. Okay, so now to the video. So if they have given the question like A, B, C can do the work in S days. Okay. So see here in the last video we have seen like, so A, B, C have done the work in 1.052 days. Okay. So here they have given in S days and B have done in, sorry, A have done in X days and B have done in Y days, and they are asking to find the C. In how many days C will complete. Okay, provided here they will give the values for A, B, C, A and B. Okay, and you have to provide the answer for C. How you will do? Let us derive it. Okay, and also if they ask the question like how you will calculate only BC's work and how you will calculate if only A plus C will work together. So everything we can just calculate from this derivation. Okay, now I'm taking you to the blackboard, sorry, whiteboard. Okay, so here in my case it is whiteboard. Okay, so to the whiteboard now. Okay, let me clear. This is what I have solved you for the last video. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to derive the formula alone. You are going to solve it. Okay, with the values which is available in the previous video or previous slides. Okay, now what they have given, A, B, C can do the work in S days. Okay, and also what they have given, A's work. Okay, A can do in X days and B's work to be Y days. Okay, what they have asked to find, in how many days C alone will work and in how many days C, B and C will work. Okay, in how many days A and C will work. So this is the question. Now I am going to derive the answer for you. Okay, so now see here A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C is given and also they have given A, B. Okay, so if you subtract this A, B from this A, B, C, you'll get C, right? Yes. So that is what we are going to do. We are going to subtract the two values. Just see here. Okay. So C's work can be derived by ABC minus A plus B. Okay. So which is equal to ABC's 1 day work will be 1 by S minus A's 1 day's work will be 1 by X. B's 1 day work will be 1 by Y, which is equal to, okay, so 1 by S minus 1 by X minus 1 by Y. So once you take the LCM, you will get XY minus SY minus XS, right? Divided by SXY. So this is the answer. This is the 1 day's work. So now C can complete the work in SXY divided by, okay, XY minus SY plus SX. This is the days he can complete. Now what I want you to do is go back to the slide. Okay, I have already shown you the values. Okay, just substitute the values and recheck it. Okay, and now let us calculate for B plus C's work. Okay, if B and C is working together, in how many days they can finish the job. Okay, how you will calculate? It is very easy, right? So they have given A, B, C. Okay, if you just subtract the A alone from A, B, C, you will get B plus C's work, right? So if B and C work together work. Okay, so this can be calculated by 1 by S. We have to subtract only A's work, 1 by X. Okay, so if you take LCM, X minus S divided by SX. Okay, so this is B plus C's 1 day work. So B plus C can complete the whole work in SX divided by X minus X. That's it. Very simple. Okay, now, okay, sorry. Okay, now, now if for A plus C's work, okay, for A, B, C, Okay, if you just take it out B from ABC, you'll get A and C's work, right? So that is what we are going to do. So A plus C's work can be calculated by 1 day work is 1 by S minus 1 by Y. This is work of B. So we are going to subtract the work from A, B, C's work. So you'll get A and C's work. So you take LCM. Y minus S by SY. So this is 1 day work and they'll complete the work by S by Y minus S. This is A plus C's the whole work. Okay. So this is how we can calculate. I have derived the formulas for you. Just substitute the values and just recheck it. Okay. So you have already available. I mean you have values already. Okay. Just check it. Okay. So this is AB, BC, CA. This is A, B and C, and this is ABC's value. Just check it. Okay. Just substitute the formulas. Just substitute the values in the formulas and find the answer. Okay. You already have all the answer to check also. Okay. I don't want to waste time on this. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll make a separate video for it also. Okay. So I have derived a formula for this concept and again the continuation in the concept. So we have seen A, B, C. Now we are going to see A, B. Okay. So the difficulty level will be little less than A, B, C we have seen. Okay. So here what they have given, A, B also given. A and B can do in 1.52 days. B can do in 2 days. And how you will find the A? How you will find this is also very simple. Okay, as we did for previous one. Okay, I'll show you. Let me clear it. I guess you have noted the formula. If you haven't, just pause the video and please note the formulas. Okay, I'm clearing this. Okay, now what they have given, A and B can do the work in 1.5 days. Okay, and let us consider this as X days. Okay, and B can do in 2 days. Okay, and let us consider this as Y days. Okay, now you have to find A alone. In how many days A will do? Okay, how you will do? So we have given A, B value. If you subtract it from A, B, then you will get the A answer, right? So that is what. So A's work will be, so let us go from 1 day work. 1 by X minus 1 by Y, which is equal to Y minus X divided by XY. Okay, so this is the A's 1 day work, and A's total work can be founded by XY, Y minus X. Okay, now substitute the value. So what is the XY value? It is 1.5 into 2, right? Divided by what is 2 minus 1.5. So which gives you, it is 0.5, and 1.5 into 2 is something. Let us just multiply it. That is easy one. 2, 5 2s are 10, 2 and 3, that is 3. Okay, so it is 3, right? 3. So 3 divided by 0.5. Okay, 3 divided into, okay, so it is 1 by 2, right? So 0.5 is obviously 1 by 2. So here it is 3 into 0.5. Can you have any guesses how to solve this problem? So 3 divided by 0.5 gives you the answer as, have any guesses? Do you have any guesses? So it is 6 days, right? So it is obvious, right? 3 divided by 1 by 2. So which is equal to 3 into 2, which is equal to 6 days. Got it? Okay. So now let us go and check in the video. Okay. And the slide. Okay. I'm going to take you to the slide. We have already seen in the very first video itself. Okay. Okay. So Ramu does in 6 days. He painted the 6 blocks in 6 days, and Raju painted in 2 days, right? So the A, here I have kept the A as Ramu and B as Raju. Okay. So the answer 6 is correct. Okay. Okay. Now we have calculated. They have given AB as 1.5 and B as 2 days, and A we have calculated it to be 6 days. Okay. Okay. So next if you are clear with the concept number 1, then I guess you'll understand this concept more easily, this particular concept more easily. Okay, now this is the last concept, last sub concept in this concept number 2. Okay, so here you have to have a pay more attention, because this concept seems to be very easy, and while if you look at the formula at first itself, then it will be little bit difficult to just articulate from where this formula comes. Okay, so just see here, they have given A and B completes the work in 1.5 days. Same, A and B does the work in 1.5 days, and A does the work in 6 days, which we have calculated. So can you see, A plus B is 1.5, so 1.5 plus 4.5 is 6 days. So A is equal to A and B plus 4.5. That is what I have given. Okay. And A and B is just B does the work in 0.5 days. That is A and B plus 0.5 days, which is 2 days. Okay. Just consider, if you don't know this A and B value. Okay. Let it keep X. If you have to find the values from this alone. Okay, if you have the values, only A value, that is A value will be A and B plus 4.5, and B value will be A and B's work plus 0.5 days. If you have only this two data, then how you will find? They have given the formula as square root of xy, that is square root of, okay, square root of this one and this one. Okay, so how the square root come? So I'm going to derive this formula for you. I guess in no YouTube or no any other place they have derived the formula. I'm just going to derive it for you. Okay, just see here. Let me clear it and start the work. Okay. Okay. Yes, let me clear it. It is taking time. Okay. Okay, now I'm taking that. So let us consider A and B's work to be X. Okay, there in the slide I have shown you the value, that is 1.5. Now you just consider X alone. A and B's to be complete the work in X days. Okay, and A completes the work in X plus 4.5 days. Okay, and B completes the work in X plus 0.5 days. Okay. Okay. Now, how we will calculate the work of A and B? It is easy, right? AB plus A. Just check out the video number 2 or video number 1 in the series to understand this formula. Okay, this is the formula to calculate A and B's work, which is equal to, okay, X, right? So this is A and B's work. It is again equal to, okay. Okay, this instead of A and B, let us substitute X alone. Okay, so X is equal to, okay, so A B divided by A plus B. Now substitute the values. So what is the value of A here? X plus 4.5, okay, and X plus 0.5 for B divided by X plus 4.5, and X plus, this is plus, X plus 0.5. Okay, so once you solve this, you will get X square plus 5X plus 2.25, okay, divided by 2X plus 5. Okay, so this is what you will get the answer. Okay, so now let us simplify it. Okay, now let us simplify it. It is equal, here it is X, right? So which is equal to X square plus 5X plus 2.25 divided by 2X plus 5 equal to X. Now bring this denominator to the left hand side. So 2X square plus 5X equal to X square plus 5X plus 2.25. Got it? So this X square goes off and this 2 goes off. So only X square is remaining here. And this 5X goes off and this 5X goes off. So X square is equal to 2.25. Okay. So now X is equal to square root of 2.25. So the square root of 2.25 is 1.5. Okay. So without doing this many stuff, they have given the formula as X is equal to square root of A into B. So which is x is equal to that is excess work. Okay, so the formula will be excess work, excess days from x and b. Okay, so here it is 0.5 into 4.5, which is 2.25. Okay, so the answer is 1.5. So this is how the formula will looks. X is equal to square root of AB. Okay, so here AB is nothing but the excess work from the x. Okay, which is 4.5 and 0.5. So this is the formula. Okay, so this is how this formula arrives. Okay, just I guess you will not find anywhere this kind of derivation, I guess, because I have searched so much and I wanted to find how this formula arrives. So I just sit down and worked out this for you. Okay, so once you understand why and how this formula arrives, then aptitude is really simple, because Vedic maths technique is already there to make the aptitude much faster. Along with the Vedic math technique, you need to understand the concepts and formulas from where it is coming. Okay, once these two topics are done, then definitely it will be easy for you to make the aptitude. Okay, so now can you see this answer we have made it out? Okay, and also I have derived the answer for you. So this value, that is, let a and b value be x days. So this x will be equal to square root of, only you have to take these two values. Okay, how many days in excess they have taken from this a and b, that is 4.5, 0.5. Just multiply in and take the square root, and this gives the value. Okay, so just go back to the videos and check out the problems, because I have taken one prompt examples. Okay, that example will make you clear to understand this concept. Okay, this example is enough to understand this aptitude, time and work concept. Okay, that's all for the concept 2. We'll meet you in the next video with a more interesting topic. Till then, take care and bye bye.